Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and thank you for joining me today. Now, today is a special day because it is the kickoff of the Cricut Christmas in July sale. We wait all year long for this sale because it is always the lowest prices on machines. I'm going to share with you some great deals here in a minute, and it's 50% off materials and accessories. And each day, starting July the 7th through July 20th, there will be a new deal of the day that's only good for 24 hours. And I'll be sharing those with you each day if I feel like it's a great deal for you guys to know about. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss that. Hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when I push out the new video. I appreciate you using my shop link to make your purchase at Cricut. That gives me a little commission from Cricut. It doesn't cost you any extra, but it helps me continue to make tutorial videos for you guys and support the Facebook groups. And if you purchase $50 or more in materials and accessories, use my promo code SMQD03. That's the new code that started July the 1st. Then you get 10% off plus free shipping in the US and Canada. Now, the best way to save money on the machines, besides the low prices that I'm going to share with you, if you purchase it separately from any materials, use the promo code JUL SHIP, and that's going to give you free shipping, okay? Because you can't use more than one code, so I want to make sure. Sometimes it's better to make two purchases. Anyway, let's take a look at what is so fabulous about this sale. And the first thing I want to point out is there's a lot of different things going on for this sale. Now, this runs July the 7th through the 20th, so the first thing I want to point out is, oh my gosh, they have a machine bundle with the Cricut Explore Air 2 and a machine tote in the raspberry color for only $269. Okay, that machine's usually almost $269 itself in the machine tote. So that's happening. There's also some deals on Cricut Maker, there's deals on the materials, and there's deals on other Cricut Explore Air 2 colors. So let's take a look at that. So this is the machine tote bundle. So you get the raspberry Cricut Explore Air 2, it's such a beautiful color, and you get the matching raspberry machine tote, okay? That machine tote alone is worth $149. And then the Cricut Explore Air, you know, is a couple of $100. So it ends up being an awesome deal. It's a $449 value is what Cricut's saying. So if you're in love with the raspberry color, now's the time to get it. All right. Also, all of the Cricut Maker machines are on sale, and in the mint, the rose, the blue, and the champagne, that machine is $50 off, so it is only $349.99. If you have been waiting for a sale on the Cricut Maker machines, now's the time to go grab one. There's also a lot of great machine bundles for the Maker, so if for some reason, you know, take a look at those bundles as well, because it is reflecting the sale price. But that should help you if you're looking for a Cricut Maker. If you are looking for a color of a Cricut Explore Air machine, have I got a deal for you. The Cricut Explore Air 2s are now $199.99. Yep, $199.99. That is a $50 savings, and it is a beautiful lilac color, the beautiful rose color, the beautiful blue color, the mint color. Let me see if I can move over and see that. The mint color, the raspberry, if you just want the machine and not the tote, and then the black, and also the sky blue. Okay, so those are the Cricut Explore Air 2, $199.99. You are not going to find a better price than this the entire rest of the year on these Cricut Explore Air 2 machines. All right, now the materials that are on sale run the gamut from vinyl to iron-on to all the different Cricut specialty papers, and it's 50% off. So if you're looking for some shimmer or sparkle paper to add to your paper crafting, now's the time to grab it. If you're looking for some adhesive foil, or you're looking for iron-on or Cricut's permanent vinyl, that all of that is 50% off right now. Now is the time to go grab that, guys. All right. Then their Cricut Maker materials are also on sale. So the basswood and the genuine leather and the thick chipboard that you cut with the knife blade. All the different fabrics are on sale. There's a lot of different things here that are on sale in the Maker Tools. All right, now, not only are the materials on sale, but the accessories are on sale. So we're talking any of the crafting tools. So if you're looking for a craft knife, or you're looking for the rulers or cutting tools or weeding tools or rulers or pins or any of that, it's all on sale right now. So now's the time to go grab those. As far as accessories go, we're talking about all the blades, all the different blades for the Cricut Explorer, Explorer machines, and the Cricut Maker machines are all on sale right now. So everybody's always asking, what are the blades that you need to get to replace the fine tip blade for your Cricut machine? And this is the fine point replacement blades. This one right here is what you're looking for, and it's on sale for only $6, and you get 2 blades in that pack. So that's an awesome deal. If you need to replace your rotary blade, it's also on sale. This is for Cricut Maker machines. The knife blade is on sale for half price. There's a ton of Cricut pins here. Look at all those beautiful Cricut pen colors. I love the Cricut pens. They write so nicely. All right, the other thing I wanted to point out is all the mats. The special self-adhesive mats are on sale, and also the Cricut Easy Press mats on sale, and all of the Cricut machine mats are on sale. So now's the great time to go ahead and snag what you need. Stock up now. This is the Christmas in July sale. It only goes on for the next couple of weeks, and then it's gone. These prices will not be seen again this year, is what Cricut's telling us. Again, thank you for using my shop link. I'll post this where you see this video. And don't forget to use the promo code if you purchase $50 or more for the accessories or materials. Use my promo code and get that extra 10% off on top of the sale prices, plus free shipping. If you are buying a machine, use that JULSHIP code, and Cricut Access members get the additional 10% off on top of these sales. So be sure and run out there, grab what you need. It's a great time to do some shopping. Thanks a lot. Let me know if you have any questions. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Come join us over in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group or the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group. Bye.